The way I want to think about this and sort of frame this is we are shifting from a time in our kind of company lives where we had the top of that funnel as wide open as we could possibly get. Every decent lead that had a reasonable pulse, we wanted to get it in. We wanted to sort of prosecute it through the system and do as best as we can. The mindset to have as we are in this particular kind of market frame is not is no longer to have quite as wide open a funnel and to try to tighten it down to only those best things. And then hopefully, with the sort of made up math that I'm showing here, that fewer leads that are better leads, right? Because you have created the right filters so that those leads are only coming in when people understand the realities of what it is you do and understand the realities of your lead times and so forth. You should get better conversion of that. And if you've done a good job of sort of framing what you do as bigger jobs, you could get more revenue from fewer jobs and a lot less sort of struggle and a lot less sort of management within your kind of overall lead pipelines. And an obvious thing that a lot of people ask is, why not just stop the paid search, right? Stop paying Google, don't need any more leads. And the challenge with that is that the quantity, while you might have, as is the case with this particular pie chart and this client, your quantity of organic traffic might be quite good, in this case, almost 40%, but it doesn't necessarily always mean that it's the right quality. And particularly in organic, where you work hard to try to get the traffic that you want, but a lot of it may not be quite as pinpoint. Whereas in paid search, it's extraordinarily pinpoint traffic, right? You are only getting traffic for exactly the search terms that you want, and consequently, you have more control over it.
To watch this full webinar and a complete archive of all Energy Circle webinars, visit energycircle.com/webinars.